Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video. And yeah, the mustache is still present in this video. If you want to know the origin of this mustache, watch the previous video. But in this one, I'm gonna create a really cool hip-hop/trap beat. It's gonna be fire, unlike my mustache. But yeah. Also, this video is brought to you by Sample Chefs, who hooked me up with their new MIDI pack called the Amethyst. I think that's how it's pronounced. And it's a MIDI pack, so you get a lot of MIDI files, including chord progressions, counter melodies, full melodies, and even hi-hat patterns for your hip-hop tracks. Anyways, so let's get started. Let me put on my rather worn-out headphones and let's get to it. So in this MIDI pack, you get some chord progressions, counter melodies, full melodies. So we're gonna take a look at some of them, and then I'm gonna find one that I like, that inspires me, and I'm gonna use it to make this track. So let's slap in a contact in here. Let's check out some chord progressions that we have here. So let's just go to MIDI chord progressions. Let's see. Okay, pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, you have some chord progressions that you probably wouldn't make by yourself. They are more complex, which I really like. Yeah, so far so good. Let me check out the full melodies. You also have some pop, R&B, and trap melodies as well. Let's check out some pop melodies. Yeah, I can imagine like Chainsmokers track with this one. Really cool, really cool. Let's check out some hip-hop melodies. This one is pretty cool. Oh, that's really good. That ending there. I think I'm gonna work with that one, but let's try another sound as well. Now that's interesting, because it's not playing the chords, but it's sort of creating this strange effect. It's pretty sick, actually. We just need some really good drums now. So they even have some project files in this pack. You can just load them up. It's like small project files, but you can work something out with them, and even some one-shots like bass and bells and stuff. Okay, I need some really good drums. So let's go to Splice and get some hard drums. Oh yeah. Let's just drag them in. And I'm gonna use the hi-hat patterns as well from the pack, because they are really cool as well. Advanced. Okay, let's go with that one for now. But let's combine it with the drums. Okay, that's pretty cool. It definitely bangs. Okay, let's play the whole thing. Oh, it's definitely interesting. We definitely need to make this sound more obvious in the mix, though. I'm also gonna bring back this sound, or just another sound, maybe. Organ. Piano. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try chopping it up. Maybe not as much. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, maybe this, like, it's almost like motivational. Let's actually replace these and pan them to the right. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. That pretty much sums up the beat. As you can hear, the chord progressions really made this come to life. So let's have a listen. Hey guys, that is pretty much it for this project. Make sure to check out Sample Chefs and their new MIDI pack. I gotta say, this is probably the best MIDI pack I've heard so far. Really sick chord progressions and melodies, and even the hi-hat patterns, so check it out. Link is below in the description so you can get it yourself. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.